Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll explore some advanced tools for footprint and reconnaissance. WinMTR is used for network troubleshooting. It's a free and open source tool that combines the features of ping and traceroute to help identify network issues. It may take a little while to download. Once the download finishes, it will be in a zip archive. You'll need to unzip it. After unzipping, you'll see two folders inside. One for 32-bit and another for 64-bit systems. Which one you choose depends on your system's architecture. Since my system is 64-bit, I'll run the file from the 64-bit folder. You can test a host by using your target IP or domain. WinMTR's main functions are identifying network problems, measuring latency, ping time, and tracing the route. Now let's move on to installing and using Maltego. Maltego is an OSINT, open source intelligence, and cyber investigation tool widely used by security researchers and investigators. It helps in collecting information, performing link analysis to see how data points are connected, and visualizing relationships between people, organizations, domains, and infrastructure, all in an easy-to-understand graphical form. When you open the page, you'll see a link to register. Click it and create an ID. You can use a temporary email or your own personal email. Finish the email verification. Then sign in with the password you chose during registration. Next, complete the registration form fields and submit. The system will automatically add your account. One tip, try to enter real information when possible. Using fake or inconsistent details can cause problems and sometimes prevent a successful Maltego login. Open Maltego's Data Hub and install whichever transforms and tools you need for your investigation. There are lots of OSINT integrations available there. Note that some tools require an API key, for example, VirusTotal. If you add the API key, the transform will return complete and accurate results. So make sure to configure those services for best output. First, import or add the data you want. You can select all and add everything from the Data Hub or your clipboard. Click New to create a new graph. This opens a blank canvas with many investigation tools and transforms available for OSINT. To search for a person, add a person entity to the graph, drag it from the palette, or use the Add Entity button. Enter the person's name in the entity's label. Right-click that person entity. A context menu will appear with a long list of transforms and lookup options. For example, Google search, social media lookups, people, LinkedIn, email address discovery, phone number discovery, domain and WHOIS lookups, metadata extraction. Run the transforms you need. Each transform will add new entities, emails, profiles, domains, IPs, and draw links automatically. Now let's take a closer look at OSINT frameworks. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence, which is the process of collecting information from publicly available sources. OSINT frameworks are essentially organized collections of tools and resources that make this process easier. For example, if you want to find information about a person, a domain, an email, or a phone number, an OSINT framework provides direct links to specialized search engines, social media lookup tools, WHOIS and IP tracking sites, metadata extraction platforms, breach databases, and even dark web resources. These frameworks are designed to save time. Instead of searching for individual tools or websites, you can access them all from one place. They also help structure your investigation by following categories like people, email, domain, IP, social media, geolocation, or data leaks. Most OSINT frameworks are free to use and constantly updated with new tools, making them indispensable for cybersecurity researchers, ethical hackers, journalists, and investigators. By using these frameworks, you can systematically gather, cross-check, and visualize intelligence without missing key sources. Subfinder is a widely used OSINT, open source intelligence tool designed specifically to find subdomains of a given domain. For example, if your target is example.com, Subfinder can discover entries like mail.example.com, dev.example.com, shop.example.com, and so on. How it works and why it's useful. Subfinder collects data from many public sources to enumerate subdomains. By gathering subdomains, you can map a target's attack surface. basically seeing which services or servers exist and which might have vulnerabilities. This helps you focus further testing or investigation on the parts of the domain that matter most. OSINT is mainly for analyzing GitHub repositories. For example, searching Facebook/React on osisinsight.io shows repository stats, activity timeline, top contributors, trends, and rankings. It helps track project health, contributors, and open source trends. A powerful tool for code repository analysis. Github Data Explorer is an AI-assisted analytical tool designed to help analyze GitHub data and extract meaningful insights. It can answer questions like, which 10 repositories had the most pull requests in the last 12 months? Or, which contributors were most active over the past year? By using GitHub Data Explorer, you can quickly understand repository activity, contributor trends, and project dynamics. It's a powerful tool for developers, researchers, and project managers who want to make data-driven decisions based on GitHub activity. In the next class, we'll learn scanning networks from basic to advanced levels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.